students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a very important announcement by UGC for all the students who are pursuing the courses of either CA or CMA or CS. So the important announcement is from now onwards, any student who qualifies either CA or CMA or CS will be considered as a postgraduate. That means any of these professional courses is being treated as equivalent to post graduation. Sir, what is so special about this? The special about this is earlier CA Institute has entered into MOUs with various universities, due to which students who were able to qualify CA were given eligibility to do PhD directly. That means they did not do PG, they can directly go for PhD. But unfortunately, the CA degree used to be considered as equivalent to post-graduation only for the purpose of doing PhD. But now the major change is for all purposes it will be treated as equivalent to post-graduation. It's not only for pursuing PhD, for all other purposes it will be treated as equivalent to post-graduation. This is fundamental change. One more thing, earlier this kind of MOU was there between CA Institute and some universities, but now such MOUs are not required, and this benefit has been extended to all the three professional courses, CA, CMA as well as CS. Sir, what will be the advantage that we will have? For example, if you want to pursue some higher studies after getting qualified in CA or CMA or CS, then you need not pursue degree, you need not pursue post graduation, because this qualification itself is considered as equivalent to post graduation. That's point number one. Point number two, in some corporate companies, so as to get some so as to be eligible to get some benefits, they put a condition that the employee must have qualified at least a graduation. Earlier, even though you have qualified CA or CMA or CS, unfortunately, it was not used to be considered as a graduation. As a result, our professionals were not able to avail such benefits. But from now onwards, it will be considered as equivalent to post-graduation. For example, you want to pursue some higher studies in any other country. Even then, this qualification will be considered as a post-graduation. So all these benefits have been extended to the students of all the three professional courses. Now a student may ask me, sir, in this scenario, is it required for me to pursue a degree along with professional courses of CA, CMA, CS? Yes, it is required, because what will be your future if you are unable to qualify in any of these professional courses? Yes, if you get qualified in any of these professional courses, you will be awarded it is equivalent to a post graduation. I'll agree. But what about the scenario if you are unable to qualify any of these professional courses? In that particular case, your degree will help you a lot to settle well in your career. That's why even after this announcement, you should still pursue continuing your graduation, especially course like BCom. So you cannot discontinue from the same. Next, one more doubt. Sir, will CA Institute award any certificate to us with respect to this post graduation? No, there is nothing like that. It will be considered as equivalent to post graduation. It doesn't mean that CA Institute is going to award any degree or certificate to you. So these are the major points which I wanted to enlighten with respect to the announcement from UGC. Actually, this has been waiting from several years. Fortunately, this year we got this official announcement from UGC. Actually, there is one more announcement pending from UGC. That is, let us assume you have qualified CA Inter or CMA Inter or CS Inter. In such a case, it will be considered as equivalent to graduation. Let us assume you have qualified CA Inter and you are unable to qualify CA Final. You just want to discontinue this course and would like to pursue MBA. Earlier what happens is you must have a degree to pursue MBA. But the advantage now is since you have qualified your CA Inter, you can directly pursue your MBA without any degree because CA Inter will be considered as equivalent to degree. So this is another decision taken by UGC. I am expecting announcement from UGC very soon. Let's wait and see. All the best.